Friendos, welcome to today's video. For this one, I thought it would be fun if we took some time to hang out together and get creative with the Rose Quartz palette. Once again, this palette is phenomenal. I've been loving it off camera. Let's give it some love on camera. If that sounds great, just stay tuned. On my Sigma E65, I'm going in with the shade Radiate. Now, Radiate is a soft taupe. Has a nice pink undertone to it. Now, Friendos, on my Forever 14, we'll go in with Aura. This is the brown that has the deepest red undertone to it. Now I'm dipping into the shade Empowered on the shadow brush from the Boba collection from Sephora. Next, beside that, I want to go in with Cosmic Love. This has to be one of the most beautiful shades in the palette, with a purple base and pink reflect. Spraying my brush yet again. Now for my inner corner highlight on my Morphe M506, we'll go into the shade Moon Magic. This is the more pink, light baby pink version of Cosmic Love. You can see a little bit of lavender reflect in this, but the base is a baby pretty pink. And I take it back, it's actually got more of a periwinkle light blue reflect more so than a lavender. It definitely looks more lavender in the pan, but on the eye, it's a little bit more blue and cool toned. So I'm going to call it there, add some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Friendos, I'm finishing off this look with my favorite P. Louise Achievements lip liner and Bear With Me liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. For blush, I'm going to go in with Happiness from the palette, mixing between that and Serenity. Friendos, as a testament to just how good the quality of this palette is, I forgot to put down my base before laying down my eyeshadow, and I think it still turned out beautifully. Friendos, I'm going to add a wee bit of bronzer on top. And I think we'll call it there, and I'll be back in a second and we'll do our second look today. Okay, Friendos, I'm back. I have my base on. Let's do it again. Friendos, on my Sigma E65, we're gonna go in with Gratitude. This is just a regular old pinky tan shade. I'm sure we all have this one in quite a few of our palettes. Now I'm going to go in with Precious. I would describe this as neutral taupe. That's gonna go into my crease. Then on the same brush, I'm going to take Mantra. That's the darker version of Precious, just going on the outer corner. Next on my unit's 202. I sprayed that. Oh god, I'm gonna die. I sprayed that right in my face. That was so smart. Alright, let's try this. I sprayed quartz. After it was on my brush, it's going in my eye. There we go. I took it all the way into my inner corner. And to me, this looks so pretty that I just don't want to keep going with it. I want to just call it here. So I'm going to line lash and I'll be right back in a dash. All right, friendos, I am back. Let's get this look finished off. I'm gonna go in with the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Travis. And this is by Makeup by Mario. I'm going to finish off with Pat McGrath Labs Lavish Luxe Trans lipstick on top. And I feel like with this shade of lipstick and lip liner combo that it looks a little too dark and grungy. So to counteract that, I'm going to go in with a more warm toned blush. So we'll go in with Love Language from Jaclyn Cosmetics. This is in her Luminous Rouge formulation. So pretty, pink and pigmented. And friendos, what think we of this look? I did it again. I know we were pushed for time today. I really appreciate you turning in nonetheless. I will have more videos up very, very soon on my channel. Again, thank you all so much for supporting me, for commenting down below, for letting me know your thoughts on this. It really does help my channel to grow. Let me know if you did pick up this palette and what your thoughts are on the palette. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the shadow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys. Bye.